So today I'll be making a feather board for my table saw. It's a little bit different than other feather boards, and the first thing I'll do is cut this piece. I'll first cut this piece to fit the miter slot. So here I have a nice fit, and I will go on to make the next cut. So the next thing I will do is cut a slot, and the best way I found is to put this on the saw and raise the blade. There, that'll give me the slot. To make a wedge lock for the miter slot, I will grind down 2 ends of this screw. So now I'm going to make a small handle. So here I'm going to put this nut in the hole. I'll do the rest of it in the vise. Here I'll cut this shape out on the bandsaw. So here I will drill a hole in this part and in this one, and to attach this machine screw. The next thing is to make a little bit of a countersink. So here I've just cut out the handle on the bandsaw, and it's got the nut in there. It will attach to here. as you turn turn this knob, it tightens the machine screw, which will clamp in the slot. So it's very tight. And it holds the pieces very, very tight. And here I'll give it a test run.